my name is Anna and I am a systems and software engineer here at Reflex Aerospace. I work with the systems integration and verification team, which is essentially the final stage of development for a satellite. On a day-to-day basis, my role is always working in different environments and with different teams. Some days it's in the lab, working on our flat-sat here in Berlin to test new features that will be sent to our satellite, or some days it's in our control room doing manual operations of our in-orbit satellite, SIGI. And other days it's quiet at my computer doing scripting or working on optimizing some of our ground tools and automative capabilities. I think the thing that makes Reflex different from other companies is the openness to work together, to collaborate, to share and exchange ideas. Just this ability to always be innovating and changing and switching gears quickly. Space is not an easy place to be able to function, and it's this in particular that's going to lend itself really nicely to this very growth-centric workplace that we have here at Reflex.